Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share those details with you. So PwC company is conducting a walk-in drive that is on 21st of June in Kolkata for experienced automation test engineers. So if you are looking for a job opportunity in Kolkata, PwC India is doing this walk-in drive on 21st of June, Saturday. So you can apply for this and it's in Kolkata. This is the link wherein you have to submit your CV and you have to submit your profile, candidature and other details. So they are looking for someone who's having expertise in automation QA with proficiency in Python, Java, strong background in QA and business analysis, hands-on experience with AI-driven testing, chatbots, and automation frameworks, proficiency in automation and integration testing, solid understanding of agile methodologies, TDD, BDD, and CI/CD implementation, excellent analytical and problem-solving skills with an eye for detail, and they are looking for someone with 3 + 2 9 years of relevant experience. Then KSol's India Limited are hiring for manual QA engineer. Location is Noida, Pune, Indore, and the experience is 2 to 5 years. So you can apply at this email address. Then there's a requirement for freshers, manual QA testers. They are looking for someone who can do game testings. So if any one of you is interested in playing mobile games, PC games, Xbox console, and you have knowledge of manual testing, then you can apply for this job opportunity. Delhi NCR candidates can also apply. Work location is Gurgaon, Delhi, work from office. And this are the email addresses wherein you have to apply. And you can also WhatsApp your CV to this number. There is a requirement for QA automation in Mumbai location. So they are looking for 3 to 5 years of experience with Playwright, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, end-to-end testing, CI/CD, bug tracking, Git, and test strategies. So you can apply at this email address. Then there is a requirement for junior QA. This is a remote job opportunity, and the working hours would be 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. with 1 hour of break. And days would be Monday to Saturday. Experience required is 6 months to 1 year. So they are looking for someone who is having solid understanding of software QA methodologies and processes, ability to write clear, concise, and comprehensive test cases. And if you are interested, you can send your resume at this email address with junior QA engineer in the subject line. There is a requirement for QA automation engineer. Location is Crystal IT Park. Again, it is Indore and it's an on-site 5 days work week. So they are looking for 2 plus years of experience in automation testing, expertise in hardware, software integration testing, strong knowledge of API testing, experience in mobile testing, hands-on with web and CMS testing, familiarity with performance testing. So these are all the requirements and you can send your resume to this email address. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel because we are sharing all this information absolutely free of cost with you. We are not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.